We will see how to fill this form for swapping of non-qualified investment. First, let's go through the form and then I'll also tell you why this is being done. This document section in Questrade, summary, move money document. Once you click here, just type non-qualified investment, NQI. So once you download this, or to make it even easy, I'll leave this link in the description. You will directly come to this document. If it is Wealthsimple, you can chat with them and they will send the form. If it is with bank, again, you can connect with them and they will send this form. Depending on your institution, you can get the form. And once you go through the video how this is getting filled, you will be able to do at any of the platform where you want to do this swapping. Once you download, you'll have to fill this document. I'll show you the pre-filled document now. Letter of direction to swap. In here you see I presently hold. I had shown 31 shares, so that is entered. And then this is not the security which I hold. This is just an example I have given. So security name and the ticker symbol both have been entered. And then in Questrade Inc. I have selected TFSA. So it was in TFSA and then the TFSA account number has been entered here. Now this section 1 is for prohibited investment. In my case, it is not prohibited. It is a non-qualified investment which has eroded over time. So I'll leave this untouched. If you have prohibited investment, in that case, you'll have to select from this. I'm leaving as it is. Section 2, I have selected this. I'm aware that this is a non-qualified investment. And then swap 31 shares, which I had showed earlier. And then name of the security. And I have selected TFSA, whichever registered investment it is, that you will select. And then the account number, which will match with the account number what was entered on top to my Questrade Inc. So my margin account I showed, it's also there in Questrade, and that's the reason I have entered here Questrade Inc. and then the margin account number and also the per share value, what is shown per unit value, that is entered. Now once this is complete, come down, enter the name, signature and date. So you will have to take a printout and then do a name, signature and date. In case you have Adobe signature where you can do the e-signature, I don't have. So once the print is taken, I'll be doing the signature. In case you have this option, you can sign digitally here. Once that is done, if it is Questrade, you can go to document and upload document section. And by selecting the letter of direction from the drop down, individual TFSA or margin, wherever you're doing the swap, after you make the selection, you can upload the document. If it is with any other platform, you can just go and upload in a similar fashion. You can chat with the agent and give the document. Once this is done, they will take care of the rest of the thing and they will intimate when this swap has happened.